At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Hoverson here at Campbell Mechanical. Alongside me here is Jeff Eef, one of our project sales reps. Jeff, our clients have asked, what should they do about their R-22 equipment?
Here at Campbell Mechanical, we'll let them know about 3 options. 1, replace outdated R-22 equipment with new that meets the new Department of Energy 2023 standards, and they will get higher efficiency equipment. 2, retrofit the existing refrigeration or HVAC systems to use newer refrigerant or a different refrigerant. The trade-off there is the original equipment was designed for R-22, so there's going to be a trade-off on efficiencies or temperatures or performance. The third option, which is mostly the least desirable, is to continue to maintain the system until breakage or obsolescence. What that'll do is it'll allow you to take time to develop a plan moving forward.
Speaking of obsolescence, is R-22 refrigerant obsolete?
There's no more production of R-22. HVAC units containing R-22 can continue to be serviced with the use of reclaimed, recovered, or recycled R-22. If any of our clients have more questions about R-22, just contact a Campbell team member for more information or an assessment of your current equipment. Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.